Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we're on I-10 East in Texas. We'll be in Houston for almost all of this video, as I-10 has a mileage of nearly 40 miles within the city limits. This area here, though, is not actually in Houston, from mile 757 to 761. There are 6 small incorporated cities surrounded entirely by the city of Houston: Hedwig Village, Hunters Creek Village, Hillshire Village, Spring Valley Village, Bunker Hill Village, and Piney Point Village are clustered together in this area, 4 of which touch the I-10 corridor. These 6 cities are a collection of upscale residential communities known as the Memorial Villages and have a combined population of 19,853. Piney Point has restrictions against all forms of businesses and is the wealthiest place in Texas, as ranked by per capita income. As of 2010, Bunker Hill Village was the 6th wealthiest place in Texas. Also, Bunker Hill Village is one of Forbes' top 25 places to retire rich. Well, I know where I'm retiring. Hillshire Village is the smallest of the memorial villages in terms of area and is the 10th wealthiest location in Texas by per capita income. Hunters Creek Village was the most expensive suburb in Texas. All 6 of these cities use Houston as their postal address. We're now within the I-610 inner loop, which forms the perimeter of the urban core of Houston. I-45 crosses I-10 here, one of the many interstates that travel through Houston. I-45 goes to its southern terminus in Galveston, 48 miles southeast of here. Coming up is the junction of US 59, recently upgraded to interstate standards as I-69. Here is the eastern crossing of the I-610 inner loop. Here at exit 775B, US 90 departs and becomes the Crosby Freeway. I-10 becomes known as the East Freeway here. We crossed Beltway 8, the Sam Houston Parkway, for the second time. This is the intermediate beltway around Houston, but the last one we'll see heading east, since the outer beltway, State Highway 99, has not yet been built on the eastern side of the city. We enter the census-designated place of Channelview, an oil refinery suburb of Metro Houston. Channelview has a population of 38,289. Channelview was given its name since it is located on the northeastern curve of the Houston Ship Channel. We conclude our drive here at exit 783. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to help support our channel, please check out our merchandise at 504roadtrips.spreadshirt.com. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share, and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.